Hi guys, DK here from KaroroCAD. Today I'm going to be taking you through a new toe point rotation tool available in the latest release of KaroroCAD. So by default, up until this point, KaroroCAD has added bridle tow points at every intersegment seam, and the actual point on that seam has been by default the closest point to the control bar at a 0 angle of attack. So that has worked very well up until this point, and along with the bridle tuning tools in KaroroTune have been sufficient to create some very well performing kites. But it has been asked that if it was possible to sort of move, especially these lower points, a little bit more outboard. So these new tools are just what's needed to do that. So we have two new parameters that we can add in here: the upper toe point rotation and the lower toe point rotation. So if we look here, this display shows us that currently all of the toe points are at 0 or at the default closest to the control bar position. So I put say 10 degrees into this upper toe point. You'll notice that it has shifted back slightly, and the rest of the toe points moving down the kite have all been rotated by a percentage, with the lowest most control point in its default location. So if we then go to that lower control point and say put in -15, we can actually rotate that one outboard by that amount, and all of the rest of the toe points get a rotation factor that is a linear interpolation between those two values. So if we didn't want a linear relationship here, we do have this non-linear toe point rotation factor. So if I put 2 into here, which is quite high, what will happen is this will actually skew the results towards this -15. In fact, only the first toe point is at the +10 rotation, and everything else starts at a negative rotation moving towards that -15. If I was to put a -2 in there, this would be biased uphill, where the 10 degrees of the top toe point is very much dominant, with only the last 2 toe points actually moving in the negative direction. So that just allows for what is very much what we consider a KaroroCAD style of working, where we set the first position and the last position, and allow the computer, allow the mathematics to give a smooth interpretation between those 2 points. I think that's it, guys. That is toe point rotation, available now in KaroroCAD. For a new copy, just log into the Rhino package manager, and you can download it and start using it straight away. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave those in the comments below, or email us at karorocad@gmail.com. Thank you very much.